Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys Applock setting. Guys, how can we start Applock in our Realme phone device? Guys, you want to start your Applock in your Realme phone, so you can start. And guys, now let's see how to start Applock in our Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to start your Applock. Then guys scroll it. As you can see your password setting. So guys tap here, and as you can see Applock. So guys tap here. So you can see enter privacy password. So we will take 1 2 3 4 5 6, and don't forget your password. So guys your Applock will start in your Realme phone. So guys you can use your Applock setting from here guys, like this setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to start Applock in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.